Yo, man, I'm turning that YB off. So, man, we finna teach y'all boy how to make Instagram reels, how to make Facebook reels, how to even make TikToks, man. So, what I'm finna do now is I'm gonna actually go tell y'all what I do. Well, go to like a spot and show y'all like how I shoot the videos and all that. And I'm gonna link my YouTube, not my YouTube, but my Instagram down in the bio. Y'all go follow that. And I got an in-step tutorial, guide by guide, teaching y'all how to make the reel and all that. I ain't gonna haircut the video. I ain't gonna do y'all boy like that. I'm finna teach y'all boy how to really make the reels and how y'all can really, like, you know, blow up on Instagram, blow up on TikTok, YouTube, whatever you trying to do, man. You can use these for YouTube shorts for real. So we finna go to the spot. We're gonna go find a spot that we can shoot like some videos and all that. And I'm gonna show y'all boys how you shoot videos, what type of quality you want to use, you know, all that. I got y'all boys, man. Y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe for all the content, man. Let's get it. Alright, man, so as y'all can see, man, I'm in like a little storage unit, man. All y'all gotta do is just really find like a site that y'all can shoot at, like a, you know, somewhere like it's like open, like, you know, probably got some trees in the background, like a good background or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I shoot for real. But before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all like what settings y'all need on y'all phone. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Alright, so boom, man. So you're gonna go to settings, right? And then go to your camera settings. Then you're gonna put it on 4K 60 frames per second. All right, so once you do that, all right, so this the mode I'm talking about right here, exposure adjustment. So you wanna turn that on. And let me show you what that do. You got the camera, right? So the exposure gonna be this up here. This little button up there. And then you can, like, you know, this right here, you can like turn the brightness up or down. So right now I'm turning it down, it's going down. And now when I turn it up, it'll go all the way up, you know. So like, say if you be like in a sunny spot somewhere, right? And you know, it's like the sun, I mean, where the camera like is too like bright or something, you can turn the adjuster down. And so in that other one I was telling y'all about, the 4K, this the 4K right here. So you're gonna go out, tap out of this. We're gonna tap this up here. And then you're gonna go to video. And once you're in video, once you're in the video, you're gonna see 4K and 60 frames per second. You wanna make sure to say that every single time. That's all. It's the only thing you wanna shoot in. You don't wanna shoot in none else. Make sure to say that the whole time. All right. So now I'm finna get out the car and show y'all boys how I do it. Also, man, when y'all doing it, man, y'all watch y'all surroundings, cause like, you know, you got some like jealous ass niggas out here. So just watch what you're doing, and then like don't be trying to like be all into the picture and all that. Just watch your surrounding the whole time. Like, this shit ain't worth your life. So all right, so we out here, right? This is my car right here. I don't know if y'all can see on the camera, but this is what I do. So I just, like, you know, come out here, put it in 4K, get like some around the shots with my car or something like that. Pull it up to like my scat logo. Let them see the logo and all that, you know. And then the windows, I might, you know, do like that, just like some walk arounds, and then just like do it like that with the Dodge symbol on the back, you know, just like some light stuff, man. Then, you know, I might come up from the tires or something, and then come back. I mean, it's like all like creative, like what you want to do. And then I might just pop the hood, just show like the hood or something like that. But yeah, man, I mean, it's just all like what you want to do for real. And then, like, you know, it's like you see the background right here, right? It's some trees. I put some trees right here. Then the sun. I mean, y'all want to, like, you know, when you shooting these videos, you want to make sure you shoot them like early in the morning, or like right when the sun about to go down, because that's when like the best time to shoot them. Because that's when the sun out. That's when the sun rising. That's when the sun going down. That's like the best time to shoot. So right now it's probably like 10 a.m. right now. I was supposed to do this like a little earlier, around like 8 or 9, but I mean, I'm out here right now. This is like a good time right now. Still a good time. And so I might do something like this, get a little RT and then pull it out like that, man. Let y'all see the whole car. It's just like creative, man. Just don't try to follow what everybody else do. Just do your own thing for real. And then, like, you know, just be creative with it. That's the fun part about it. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that right quick. Now I'm finna link the other video. Well, not link it, but I'm finna show the other video on how I really like do it from CapCut. And yeah, I'm just giving y'all like the full breakdown, man, for real. So now I'm finna just shoot me some reels right here, since it's like it's a beautiful ass day today, man. Yesterday it was like pouring down raining, so I'm finna shoot me some reels right now. And I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. I'm finna throw this extra clip up in there and show y'all like step by step a breakdown, whole breakdown how I do it. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna go to the App Store, right? And if you got an Android, go to the Android store and type in CapCut. Now, you want to download this app right here. Now, open it, right? So, first it's going to have you start right here. And these are some of the videos I created right here. So, boom. All right, so now you want to go to the template. Then you want to go to search up here. Then you want to type in car template videos. Boom. Now you want to find a video that you might like. So, I can't change what I said, what I did. All right, so so what you want to do after that, when I showed y'all at the beginning of the video, you want to like, you know, get like some shots and all that. So boom, let's say you put that right there, boom, and then you can like tap down here, and then like you can like customize it, like not customize it, but like drag it to like which section you want the video to be. It's not showing, it's not loading up right now, but I can see at the bottom that's gonna be like right here, like where my tires at, and I kind of zoomed out for my tires. So boom, got that right there. Let's see, let's just add like a couple different things. Boom. Nah, not that. All right, so let's add something like this right here. Then I can, you know, put a load up and then, you know, come over here. So I know what this video is, I know how it's gonna be. So these little templates at the bottom, it's like the videos you want to put, then it's gonna, CapCut gonna automatically put it like in order for the template to be made. All right, boom, I got all mine. Now we're gonna press preview. It's gonna load up. All right, y'all, so it finally loaded up. This is just a video. I mean, this is not like no, you know, final video that I would put out. It's just something to show y'all right quick. So, I mean, it's not like it's smooth right now, cause like, you know, I said the Wi-Fi is like kind of messed up where I'm at right now. So, I'm gonna show y'all how I look right now. But hold on, let me see. Let me show y'all. I can't change what I said, what I did. I feel like I'm running circles right now. And see, that was that easy. I didn't even like put none of them words up there. I didn't do none of those effects or none. CapCut automatically did it. Now these come from like people put these templates out on CapCut, and then like you can use their template. Some people have it private, some people have it open, but most of them gonna be open though. And you can use the template. So once you get done with your template, I mean, if you want to like do like some extra stuff, you want to like, you know, crop it, replace some of the clips, or turn the volume down, up and down, and all that, you can do it right there. If you want to put some more text in the video, see, like they already put the text in the video, so you don't have to do that. All right, so once you get done with everything, you're gonna press export right here, and you either put it on TikTok, or if you want to save it to your device and put it somewhere else, you can do that. So I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna save it to my device, and then I'm gonna put it somewhere else, like on Instagram or something like that. All right, so y'all see this is how it's gonna look when it's done. So boom, you can either come right here to Instagram and share down here to Instagram, Facebook, you know. But what I usually do, I go right here. Let me show y'all a little trick. All right, so now once you pull the video up in photos, you're gonna see that CapCut in the top right. What I do is I usually just like, you know, crop it like to like right here, so like I can crop that CapCut out. And sometimes you leave it in there, and sometimes people like with the templates, they'll like make the template like a little bigger, so like you can crop the CapCut out, and the template still look like at the right size. I wish everybody did it on CapCut, but like only a certain amount of people do it. So I can't change what I said, what I did. I feel like I'm running circles right now. Now that look good though. Now what I'm finna show y'all is some tags that y'all can use. Now these some tags that I use for my videos and my reels, but you can add way more tags than this. And like, you know, say if you have a Honda, you can put like Honda Civic, Honda Accord, Honda, you know, Honda anything, something like that. Or you can put like some car culture, car meets, something like that in your tags. So now I'm finna show y'all the Instagram and how I put it on Instagram. Alright, so this is my car Instagram right here. I started in like, let me see when I started it. I started in like, in June 1st. That's when I started. I started when I had my Mustang, and I switched over to the Yellow Jack, man. So, I mean, I really just started with the reels. I mean, some of them been doing good. Like you see this one had like 5,000. you know, 5,000 views right there. I really just started with the real stuff for real. So what I do from right here now, alright, this from the real stuff, great stuff.
I can't change what I said, what I did.
You gonna make sure you get like a cover. Well, a cover on here is like a thumbnail on YouTube, and that's important. You're gonna wanna have a cover. So what I'll do, I'll probably put like, I don't know, like, alright, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna keep that as the title. I mean, thumbnail, cover, whatever you wanna call it. But I mean, if you wanna add something from the camera roll, you can like take a picture of your car like in portrait mode, and then like, you know, put it on here, and then you can put it on there from the camera mode. And then you go to profile grid, it'll show you how it look on your profile. Then you press done right here. Then the caption, you're gonna put that all those tags I told you, you're gonna put all that in this caption. I recommend you make the caption in notes first, so it can be like, you know, you can have a uniform already. From right here, you can just paste it right there and scroll to the top. And like right now, you can just put like some like just put like an emoji or something. I usually just put like a emoji, like, you know, put something like that. And then like you can share it to your feed, tag people. What I recommend, y'all put like a location on there, and like, you know, put like some topics on there too, like car culture, sports cars, car racing, you know. And then like, you know, if you want to put it on Facebook, you can. And I recommend y'all put it on Facebook, because that's more views too. That's how you get more exposure too. So then you can share it from right there with that blue button, or you can save it for you. All right, and that's how you make reels from CapCut, and put into your Instagram or Facebook reel, or even TikTok. So I mean, it's not hard at all. Just go outside, shoot you some little videos. They don't have to be like clear. I mean, like, you know, high budget videos. People like, you know, running, trying to film your car and all that. Just shoot you some little videos with your car, you know. But make sure you shoot it in 4K and 60 frames per second though. It gotta be in 60 frames per second. And I'm gonna show y'all another trick right quick. All right, so you wanna go to these 3 dots at the top right. Well, 3 lines at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Go all the way down till you see data usage, and then go to upload at highest quality. Put that on, like put that on, man. You need that. Do not touch this up here, like the use less cellular data. You need the highest quality. That's how your videos can go up for real. So I mean, yeah, that's how you do that. Y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. More videos on the way.